Hunger is more than just a growling stomach. It can feel like a heavy weight, especially when you're trying to lose weight and constantly denying yourself the foods you love. It seems like cutting out everything enjoyable is the only way to see results. But in reality, that only makes the hunger and discomfort worse, turning food into a constant source of stress. You don't have to give up all your favorite foods to reach your goals. It's entirely possible to enjoy delicious, even sweet, treats without worrying about sabotaging your progress. Take this banana brownie, for example. I've left out the sugar and butter that would have added unnecessary calories, but the recipe is still flavorful and satisfying. Bananas bring natural sweetness and a rich texture, while eggs provide protein and nourishment, and vanilla and cocoa powder add depth and richness to the flavor. This dessert is proof that you can enjoy sweets, even while working toward your ideal weight. You don't have to say goodbye to desserts if they're made thoughtfully and with care for your health. You'll find the recipe and step-by-step instructions in the description below. Let the banana brownie remind you that food isn't the enemy or a test of willpower. It can be light, delicious, and a source of joy, even when you're on a journey to change. With care, your nutritionist, Karina.